where we bring you valuable insights into various ways of making money online. In today's video, we'll be discussing how you can make $100 in a day through Forex trading. Forex, short for foreign exchange, offers tremendous potential for individuals looking to generate income from the comfort of their homes. So, let's dive into the strategies that can help you achieve this financial goal. Understanding Forex trading basics. Before we delve into the strategies, let's briefly cover the basics of Forex trading. Forex is the largest financial market globally, where currencies are bought and sold. Traders aim to profit from the fluctuations in exchange rates between different currency pairs. To get started, you'll need a reliable Forex broker, a trading platform, and a basic understanding of fundamental and technical analysis. Develop a solid trading strategy. Host. Creating a solid trading strategy is vital for consistent success in Forex trading. Here are a few key steps to consider. Research and education. Invest time in learning about different trading strategies, technical indicators, and market analysis techniques. This knowledge will help you make informed trading decisions. Choose a trading style. Decide whether you'll be a day trader, swing trader, or position trader. Each style requires different time commitments and approaches to the market. Risk management. Implement proper risk management techniques, such as setting stop loss and take profit levels, to protect your capital and minimize losses. Identify high probability trading setups. To make $100 in a day, it's essential to focus on high probability trading setups. Here are a few strategies to consider. Scalping. This strategy involves making quick trades on small price movements. Scalpers aim to accumulate multiple small profits throughout the day. Breakout trading. Look for currency pairs that are about to break out of key levels of support or resistance. By correctly identifying and trading these breakouts, you can capture substantial profits. Trend trading. Identify strong trends in the market and trade in the direction of those trends. This strategy allows you to capture larger moves and potentially earn $100 in a day. Practice and demo trading. Host. Practice is crucial for honing your skills and building confidence. Most Forex brokers offer demo accounts, which allow you to trade with virtual money. Utilize these accounts to test your strategies and gain experience before trading with real money. Money management and patience. Money management and patience play significant roles in achieving consistent profits. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Start with a realistic capital. Begin with an amount you're comfortable with and can afford to lose. Don't risk more than you can handle. Set daily profit targets. Aim for smaller, achievable daily profit targets, such as $100, rather than trying to make a fortune in one trade. Be patient. Avoid overtrading and chasing after every trade opportunity. Wait for high probability setups that align with your strategy. Making $100 in a day through Forex trading is achievable with the right knowledge, strategies, and discipline. Remember to thoroughly educate yourself, develop a solid trading plan, and practice in a demo account before risking real money. With perseverance and consistency, you can build your Forex trading skills and generate a sustainable income.